At Trine University's Frank School of Education, we prepare you to be that teacher who changes the lives of their students. Guided by innovative, student-centered, award-winning professors, the Frank School of Education offers nationally accredited degree programs that immerse you in diverse K-12 school settings. You'll have the opportunity to earn multiple teaching licenses and nationally recognized certifications, including Google certification, Crisis Prevention Intervention, and Orton-Gillingham certification, all in 4 years or less. If you learn best in small class sizes, you'll love that our average education class is 15 students. Our dedicated, passionate, expert faculty build safe learning environments so students can take academic risks that they may not in a larger classroom setting. We've also invested more than $250,000 into our classrooms, providing you with state-of-the-art learning environments designed to showcase the latest educational technology and hands-on best practice teaching methods. As a Frank School of Education student, you'll have extensive experiences in a variety of schools beginning in your first semester. Depending on your major, you'll have 800 or more clinical hours by the time you graduate. You'll have the opportunity to work with students from different ages, income levels, races, and languages. So regardless of where you want to teach after college, you'll have the experiences that position you for success. When you graduate with a Trine degree, you'll become part of a long history of successful educators. Our recent education graduates achieved a 100% pass rate on the state pedagogy exams. And we're very proud to share that for 13 straight years, 100% of Frank School of Education graduates seeking to become a teacher have earned teaching positions or entered graduate school. Our goal is to impact the next generation of teachers who are difference makers, those teachers who change the lives of their future students. Find out for yourself what it means to be a member of the Teacher by Trine community.